A society without culture is said to be a dead society. Likewise, a society without arts and identity is like a tree without roots. Arts and identity can always be portrayed through music, which allows people to express themselves freely with their feelings and emotions. It is against this background that Jacaranda Culture Centre in Blantyre resorted to providing local acoustic artists with a platform not only to showcase their acoustic prowess but also to interact and connect with the audience every Thursday night. The platform, dubbed the Sounds of Malawi Acoustic Sessions, is purely for artists performing music about culture, music whose touch is very Malawian.
I'll do a dance that we do back home. If you want, you can join me. I'll do it down here. Right? Come on.
While other artists copy and fuse foreign elements in their songs, John Fire, who works at the Malawi River Welcome Trust in Blantyre, has not digressed. He has 3 albums to his credit. What motivates him to continue pushing the acoustic way?
For me, I think it's easy if I do what is from my country, what is from my heritage, you know, because what God has given us as a nation, the culture that we have, the kind of music that we have, whether it is manganje, whether it is chopa, whether it is skidi, whether it is the songs that we uche, whatever, that is within us. It is our heritage. So when we do it as Malawians, it is natural, and no one can do it better than us because it is within us.
France Honorary Consul in Malawi, Luc Deschamps, who is also the executive director of Jacaranda Foundation, says the center seeks to uplift the country's arts and cultural development. He says they created a space where different activities and programs could be encouraged and promoted.
We started Sound of Malawi 3 years ago. Of course, we had a break during COVID time when we had to close the center for 6 months. The impact, I think, is tremendous, because now people know, a lot of people know that every Thursday night you have a Sounds of Malawi show, which I think was the secret, to have an ongoing, weekly, very regular series of music. It's very interesting to see the reaction of the audience. People love it. People come down actually for Sounds of Malawi. They don't know sometimes the artists. Some of the artists are not known, but they know there will be a quality concert in a nice stage, good lights, a good atmosphere, family atmosphere, and they know they will learn something about the cultures of the country, and that's important. So we have this double kind of audience: the people from Malawi and from Blantyre, who live here, who were born here, who come and kind of revisit and share their culture with artists. They'll be singing, they'll be dancing, they'll be asking questions. And you have the international visitors.
John Fire, one of the numerous artists who have performed at this facility, hails Deschamps for his commitment to uplifting local talent.
Jacaranda Culture Centre and Sounds of Malawi in particular is a huge blessing, not only to the country, but especially to the musical fraternity in the country, especially for those of us who are trying to do traditional music, some local sound, local beats. So this has come as a huge platform for us, which can expose us to the locals here in Malawi, but also to internationals.
Zambiri,